What if I told you that amidst the noise, a select group of tech giants are not just surviving but thriving? These aren't just high-growth stories. They're profit powerhouses, quietly generating billions for shareholders. While others chase speculative plays, savvy investors are zeroing in on companies with proven profitability and an unshakable competitive edge. Today, we expose the 6 most profitable tech stocks you need to list under your radar. And stick around until the end, because our comparative data analysis will reveal which of these giants truly stands out in terms of financial strength and investor returns. Let's dive in. First up, at number 6, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Ltd., ticker TSM, a critical player held by 187 hedge funds. TSM is a linchpin of the global semiconductor supply chain, demonstrating robust financial performance driven by insatiable demand for artificial intelligence chips. The company reported impressive Q2 2025 earnings with EPS of $2.47 and revenue reaching $30.07 billion, a substantial 44.4% year-over-year increase. This strong momentum is projected to continue, with full-year 2025 revenue expected to climb by around 30%. TSM's net profit for the April-June quarter surged by 60.7%, underscoring its operational efficiency. Its technological leadership in advanced nodes, particularly 3 nanometers, 4 nanometers, and 5 nanometers chips, is critical for AI-related applications, with MediaTek already committing to TSM's 2-nanometer process for its next flagship chip. The company is aggressively expanding capacity, planning construction on 4 new fabs this year for 2-nanometer mass production, and allocating 30% of its advanced chip capacity to Arizona as part of a broader $165 billion US investment. Despite geopolitical headwinds and potential margin contraction from new overseas fabs, TSM maintains confidence in sustaining a long-term gross margin above 53%, cementing its indispensable role in tech innovation. At number 5, Amazon.com Incorporated, ticker AMZN, a colossal presence in 335 hedge fund portfolios. Amazon's robust financial performance consistently surpasses analyst expectations, driven by its expansive ecosystem. In Q2 2025, Amazon exceeded forecasts, reporting $167.7 billion in net sales and an EPS of $1.68, marking a 13% year-over-year revenue increase and a 31% jump in operating income. A pivotal focus remains Amazon Web Services, which continues to be a primary profit engine, maintaining a dominant 30 to 31% global cloud infrastructure market share. The company is projecting over $100 billion in capital expenditures in 2025, primarily directed towards AI infrastructure to meet accelerating demand for AI workloads and maintain a competitive edge. Beyond cloud, AI is integrated across Amazon's ecosystem, enhancing Alexa and significantly upgrading its AI seller agent, Project Amelia, to proactively manage inventory and generate advertising campaigns. The advertising segment continues its strong growth, benefiting from these AI advancements. In its core e-commerce business, Amazon anticipates over 40% US market share in 2025, underscoring its enduring retail dominance despite increasing operational costs and regulatory scrutiny. Before we move on further, what if your trading platform could do more than just execute orders? What if it could give you the deep dive tools you need to truly understand the market? With Moomoo, you get a platform built for serious traders. Forget bouncing between sites for insights. The Moomoo community connects you with over 26 million users to share strategies and trending stocks. Want to track the smart money? The Institutional Tracker lets you explore how top institutions like Berkshire Hathaway allocate their holdings across different sectors and specific stocks. And for true transparency, Moomoo offers exclusive data like insider trades. You get transparent access to insider holdings and trades, so you can see who's buying or selling, their position, and even the transaction price. When it comes to execution, Moomoo offers powerful tools like conditional and algo orders, which can auto-place a market or limit order when a specific price is reached. This is trading at the next level. The best part? Moomoo offers zero commission on stocks, options, and ETFs. Open a funded account, and new US users can get up to $1,000 in Nvidia shares with a qualifying deposit. Again, huge thanks to Moomoo.com for sponsoring this video. And now, back to the content. Moving on to number 4, we have Meta Platforms Incorporated, ticker META, held by 260 hedge funds. Meta's Q2 2025 earnings saw revenue climb 22% year-over-year to $47.52 billion, and EPS surge 38% to 7.14, marking its 10th consecutive profit beat. This impressive performance is largely due to the successful integration of AI into its core advertising business, which propelled ad revenue up 21%. User engagement remains robust, with family daily active people growing 6% year-over-year to 3.48 billion. Meta's strategic pivot towards an AI-first ecosystem is evident in its monumental capital expenditure guidance of $66 billion to $72 billion for 2025, primarily dedicated to AI infrastructure. Recent innovations like new AI-powered smart glasses underscore Mark Zuckerberg's vision for personal superintelligence. While the Reality Labs division continues to post operating losses, its hardware revenue saw a 5% increase, and new generative AI tools aim to enhance metaverse creation. Despite ongoing antitrust scrutiny, Meta's declaration of its first quarterly cash dividend signals a balanced approach to growth investments and capital returns, with analysts largely maintaining a bullish outlook. Our third pick for profitability is Nvidia Corporation, ticker NVDA, a favorite among 235 hedge funds. TD Cowen recently reiterated a buy rating, raising its price target by nearly 30% and emphasizing Nvidia's strong fundamentals. The company's smooth transition from Blackwell to Blackwell Ultra architectures is pivotal for AI and high-performance computing workloads. Nvidia's monumental $5 billion investment in Intel common stock, coupled with a strategic collaboration to jointly develop custom chips, signals a deepening of industry ties and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Financially, Nvidia reported a stellar Q2 FY 2025, with record revenue of $30 billion, a staggering 122% increase year-over-year, largely propelled by its data center segment. With Blackwell GPU architecture demonstrating up to a 40 times performance leap in certain AI workloads and outstripping supply, Nvidia maintains an estimated 80 to 92% market share in AI accelerators. Its robust software ecosystem, especially CUDA, forms an indispensable moat, ensuring its central role in the global AI economy, even as competition intensifies. Coming in at number 2, we have Microsoft Corporation, ticker MSFT, a stock held by 294 hedge funds. RBC Capital recently pushed back against the death of software narrative in an AI world, asserting that traditional software providers like Microsoft retain critical distribution and data advantages. Microsoft is not just adapting, it's leading, benefiting immensely from its distribution scale and deep AI integration. Analysts see Microsoft as uniquely positioned to monetize AI effectively, even if broader adoption takes time. Its intelligent cloud segment, particularly Azure, is a profit powerhouse, with Azure and other cloud services revenue surging 39% year-over-year in Q4 FY 2025. AI services alone contributed as much as 16 percentage points to Azure's growth in Q3. Microsoft's commitment to AI is staggering, with an estimated $80 billion global investment in AI infrastructure for fiscal year 2025. This aggressive strategy transforms its data centers into AI fortresses, supporting a modular and open AI ecosystem that includes partners like Anthropic, xAI, and OpenAI, further solidifying its dominant market position. And finally, at number 1, Alphabet Incorporated, ticker GOOGL. Alphabet Incorporated, with 219 hedge funds holding stakes, recently hit a remarkable $3 trillion market capitalization. Goldman Sachs highlighted its continued progress in AI and hardware integration, with new devices like the Pixel 10 series and Pixel Watch 4 showcasing deeper ecosystem integration. While hardware is a small revenue slice, it reinforces Google's competitive edge in key consumer markets. More critically, new AI-driven features like Magic Q and Gemini-branded generative tools are supercharging user experiences and solidifying Google's position in AI services. These innovations directly address investor concerns about AI monetization, driving growth and strengthening the bullish outlook on Alphabet stock. Recent regulatory relief in a U.S. antitrust ruling, which avoided breaking up core assets, also fueled investor confidence. Despite ongoing scrutiny in its ad tech business and a significant fine from the European Commission. Now let's bring it all together and see how these profit powerhouses stack up side by side. Starting with market cap, we see Nvidia leading the pack with a staggering $4.1 trillion, a true testament to its AI dominance. Microsoft follows closely at $3.8 trillion and Amazon at $2.5 trillion, showcasing the sheer economic weight these companies command. Taiwan Semiconductor, while smaller at $1.4 trillion, still represents a massive force in the semiconductor world. When we talk about revenue, Amazon takes the crown with an astounding $638 billion, underscoring its retail and cloud ubiquity. Microsoft and Alphabet also demonstrate immense revenue generation, with $282 billion and $350 billion respectively. But revenue is just one piece of the puzzle. Gross margin tells us how efficiently these companies turn revenue into profit before operating expenses. Meta Platforms leads here with an exceptional 81.95%, reflecting the high profitability of its advertising business. Nvidia and Microsoft also boast impressive margins at nearly 70%, highlighting their strong pricing power and intellectual property. Taiwan Semiconductor's 57.27% is excellent for a capital-intensive manufacturing business, demonstrating superior operational discipline. Finally, earnings per share, or EPS, reveals the true bottom-line profitability on a per-share basis. Here, Meta Platforms again stands out with a remarkable $27.61 per share earnings, showing its incredible earnings power. Microsoft's $13.64 and Alphabet's $9.39 also signify robust profitability. Notably, Nvidia's $3.51, while lower, reflects its high growth trajectory and significant reinvestment into R&D and expansion. As for dividend yield, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta offer modest yields, signifying their commitment to returning capital while still fueling aggressive growth initiatives. So these are 6 most profitable tech stocks that savvy investors are watching closely. Which of these tech giants do you believe has the strongest profit engine for the next 5 years, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't miss our video right here on 7 undervalued tech stocks that could explode in 2025.